So this one, right, important concept, okay? If there are tangents to the circle, right, that means like that, huh? So if let's say I have the circle like that, right? Okay, this is a concept that we will know. So if your tangents are, then your distance, right, from here like that, right, come down is all the same one. So that means this one doesn't look like center. Okay, so just like that. Is all the same. So this one still not center. So the center of the circle, instead of xx, right, you can put it as x. Instead of xy, right, it can be xx or yy lah. So that's the concept here. So what can be deduced about the coordinates of the center, right? You will understand that the center, so the logic for this one here, right, the center of the circle lies on the line y equals to x. So if I have a y equals to x, then it will pass through. Okay, like that. So anyway, so for part 2 onwards, the tangent, right, the line T is a tangent to C at 9 and 8, given that the center lies below and to the left of 9 of 8. So that means, let's say for example, my tangent is like here lah. So it lies below and to the left, right? So let's say this point here is 9 and 8. Okay, so if that's the case, can I move here a bit? Okay, so you need to find the equation of C. So what do they mean by equation of the C? So C is the circle, so you need to find the equation of the circle. Okay, so in order to do this, right, what we have to understand is you can compare. So this is xx, right? Then xx will be, this one here will be, the radius is x, correct? So then what happens here is that what we can do is if let's say we have the tangent, right, so we have the equation of the circle, we try to form out the equation of the circle. So now, right, maybe I don't put xx, I put aa instead, okay, because x and everything also x. So my center of the circle is x minus a, my center of the y coordinate is y minus a, plus the radius is a, right? So in this case, it's a squared. This is based on my equation of the circle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in my 9 and my 8. Because since it lies on the circle, 8 minus a squared equals to a squared. So 81 minus 18a plus a squared, 64 minus 16a plus a squared. So from here you can simplify a square minus a square, so this is a square, right? Then minus 34a, then 81 plus 64, so this one here will be 145. Okay, so when I cheat with my calculator, a is 5 or a is 29, but you see the 9 and 8 must be higher and right side. So that means the AA, right, must be smaller than 9, smaller than 8 also. So I will choose this one and then I will reject this one. Okay, then if you need to find equation T, so equation of T here, I think you should be able to do already, because if I know that now this one here, if you know, you just pause. Okay, so how you find is this is the gradient. So we will find the gradient of the orange line. So that's 8 minus 5 and 9 minus 5. So this one here will be 3/4. So that means the gradient of your tangent is negative 4/3. So using the point 9 and 8, you will have y minus 8 negative 4/3 times 9 times x minus 9. So from here, y is negative 4/3x, negative 4/3 times negative 9 plus 8. So this is 20. So this will be my final answer. Okay, so I think this concept you must understand. When the tangents, when the x-axis and the y-axis, they are tangents, then what happens? The coordinates will be two same points. So this is something that you can take note. Then after that, this one here, since you get all the unknowns, you can change, and then whenever you have a coordinate, you can sub into your circle equation. Oh yes, I realized for part 2, you're supposed to find the equation of the circle, so I'm not done. So equation of the circle, x minus 5 square, y minus 5 square equals to 25.